Good afternoon, everyone. So, welcome to Career Launcher. My name is Naveen, and today we'll be looking at a new brand series, which is CAT 2025 Target 99 plus percentile. This is the series wherein we will be doing LRDI, and this is LRDI Basics Part 1. So, without wasting any time, let's begin with our set for the day. Based on the given data, we need to solve these questions. So, 8 people, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, and R, like different colors. That is orange, blue, black, yellow, pink, purple, white, and green. They all like different fruits. That is lychee, kiwi, apple, mango, guava, peach, banana, and grapes, not necessarily in the same order. The following information is also known. P likes kiwis but does not like yellow or blue. M doesn't like mangoes. L likes black but doesn't like grapes. N likes guava and purple, and so on and so forth. So basically, the first step is to find the number of parameters. So we can see that we have got the names of the people, and then we have got the colors, and then we have got the fruits. So it's a 3-parameter set. Now, out of these 3 parameters, one of them is supposed to be primary attribute, the one that we will fill beforehand. So if you read the statements, we see that most of these statements, they are about the person. So the name of the people, that is PQ, R, K, L, M, N, O, they are the first subject, or the subject that is first talked about in the statements. So what we'll do is we will write down the names beforehand. Alongside those names, which color they like or which fruits they like, that is something we need to fill. So the representation is obviously a table. Now within that, should we draw a 3-column table for each of these 3 parameters, or should we draw it differently? That depends on how the language of the additional statements, they are framed. Okay, so when it says P likes kiwi, so obviously beside P under fruit column, we will be writing down kiwis, but does not like yellow or blue. So, we'll have to put in a lot of information beside the color that P doesn't like. So what will happen is the table will become very much crowded. So whenever you have statements that consist of negations as well, so we prefer using a matrix. In the matrix, we are going to put ticks and crosses depending upon which particular relationship exists or it doesn't. So basically, we will have P, and then we will have the fruits over here with the fruits name written as lychee, kiwi, apple, mango, and so on. So when it says P likes kiwis, we are going to put a tick there. And then we will have another column color, wherein we are going to have orange, blue, black, yellow, pink, and so on. And it says P doesn't like yellow or blue, so we are going to put crosses under it. So this is going to be a table which we are going to treat that as a matrix, where we are going to have 8 rows here, and then we are going to have 2 major columns, and within each major column we are going to have 8 sub columns. So the time that we are going to take is going to be it's going to be in 2 steps. One, in order to draw this table, and the second is going to fill it up. Once that is done, solving questions are relatively easier. Okay, let's look at the questions now. Who amongst the following likes lychee? Who amongst the following likes pink? Which fruit is liked by one who likes blue? If black is related to lychees and yellow is related to peaches, which color is related to mangoes? So if you read this, it tells us that there are going to be some of the association that we would know about. There are going to be some of the associations that we may not be able to fill yet. Okay, so at least 3 out of these 4 questions are going to be easy, because we do not have cannot be determined or none of the above. We have definite options here. So we have got 8 people. So I'm going to write down the names of the people here. So the people are K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, and R. Then we will be writing down the colors. The colors over here are orange. Then we are going to have blue. Then we have black. Then we have yellow. Then we have pink, we have purple, we have white, and then we have green. Now, if we talk about fruits now, the fruits are lychee, then we have kiwi, or we can write down the initials if the initials of each fruit is unique. We have got apple, mango, guava, peach, banana, and grapes. So it's only guava and grapes that start with Z, but let's write on the entire word. Now we are done with the first and the second. Let's look at the next one, the third one. P likes kiwi. So we will go to P, we'll put a tick in the kiwi part, and we're going to put cross for all the other fruits because each person likes one fruit. And then we're going to put cross within the kiwi column because if P likes kiwi, nobody else does. Right? But does not like yellow or blue. So within P, we are going to cross out yellow and we're going to cross out blue. Next, M doesn't like mangoes. So within M, we are going to put a cross for mangoes. Next, L likes black. L likes black. So we're going to strike out within the color everything. And within black, also we will strike this out. But doesn't like grapes. So he doesn't like grapes. N likes guava. So N likes guava and purple. So we'll put a purple. We will strike out everything. And so we have N likes purple. So we are done with purple here. We are going to strike out the column of purple. And guava. So it likes guava. So we're going to put a tick here. We're going to put a cross here. Okay. Next, Q doesn't like apples. So within Q, we are going to put cross within the apple column. R likes white. So R likes white. So along with it, let's fill this up. But doesn't like bananas. So R doesn't like bananas. So we are going to put a cross here. Okay. The one who likes apples also like orange. So the one who likes the color apple also like the color, the one who likes the fruit apple also like the color orange. So apple orange, it's possible for K, it's possible for M, it's possible for O. So there are only three people for which this is possible because either apple is striked out for that particular person or orange is striked out. We do not know, we'll come back to this later. Neither O nor K. So neither O nor K like orange. So O doesn't like orange and K doesn't like orange. So the only person who can like the fruit apple and the color orange is going to be M. So M likes orange and M likes apple. This is not true for K because he doesn't like orange. Not true for L, N, and O. For P and Q, they do not like apple, so we cannot have that combo. So we are done with this. We can cross this one out. And for apple, we can cross this one out. Next is the one who likes bananas. So bananas can be liked by four possible people. Doesn't like black or green. So black and green simultaneously, it's going to be not liked. There are a lot of possibilities. So we'll come back to this later. Let's look at the ninth statement. Q likes green. So we have got Q who likes green. And O doesn't like bananas. O doesn't like bananas. Okay. So the one who likes bananas, now there are, we have got three people now who are possible who can like bananas. Okay. That person should not like black or green. So if I look at K, he doesn't like black or green, and he can like banana. If you look at L, he likes black. So this guy cannot be the person who likes bananas. Okay. And the next person is Q. If he likes bananas, then he already likes green. So Q cannot be the guy who doesn't like who likes bananas because he already likes green. So the only possibility for banana is going to be here. So it's going to be K. K is the guy who likes bananas, and he doesn't like uh, black or green. So once that is done, we can strike out this part as well. Okay. If we look at any of the rows and columns, is there any that is still vacant? No, we cannot fill anything right now. Okay. So there has to be one tick across a row or across a column within in the sub column within a column. Okay. The one who likes peaches also likes yellow. So the person who likes yellow should like peaches. So K cannot be that guy, right? The next person who can like yellow is going to be O. So the only possibility is that O likes yellow and he likes peaches. So when he likes yellow, we are done with this. And when he likes peaches, um, we are done with this. Now, once this is done, and if you look at the blue color, there is only one cell left. So we should complete that. If you look at pink, there is only one cell left in that particular column. So within the column of colors, what we'll see that every particular column has a tick and every row also has a tick. So colors part is done. Now, if you look at fruits, there are still a lot of places that are vacant that can have possibilities, right? Okay, R doesn't like lychees or grapes. So when we go to R, he doesn't like lychees or grapes. So this forces R to like mangoes, and the moment he likes mangoes, this part is complete. And if we look at lychee, within L, he should like one of the fruits. The only possibility is lychee. Then within lychee, we already have a tick, so this has to be a cross. When this is cross, this has to be a tick. So basically, it eventually gets down to a Sudoku level arrangement where every row and every column should have a tick. Okay. If you look at the entire matrix, each row should have two ticks, but each column should still have only one tick. So everything is done, right? So all the four questions can be solved. Who amongst the following likes lychee? So lychee is liked by L. So this is going to be L, option C. Who amongst the following likes pink? So if you go to pink, with the pink color is liked by P. So that's going to be P. Which fruit is liked by the one who likes blue? So blue is liked by K, and the fruit that he likes is bananas. See? If black is related to lychees, let's see. So if black is related to lychees, so we're talking about the same guy sharing this attribute for two parameters. And yellow is related to peaches. So yellow is related to peaches. Then which color is related to mangoes? So if you go to mangoes, the color that is related should be white. So this is going to be white. So basically, moderate level set, easy to understand, easy to fill the matrix, but moderate level because it was time consuming. 8 people, they are not easy to take care of. And you can see that there were, eight additional statements, where the first two statements were from the stem of the set. Okay. So if you have understood this particular set, you should always remember that whenever you have more negations in the conditions, you should prefer a matrix. If more affirmative statements that this person likes this person drives this person lives here, then a simple table does work. But when you have this person doesn't like this, and this person doesn't drive this or this, so when you have more of nots and nots, prefer a matrix. So thank you. Please make sure that you subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. I will see you soon again with another session on this series. Until then, take care. Bye bye.